will become. Let the kneaded dough sit for at least 10 minutes. The dough will become smoother. Now we can prepare fillings. Add different spices according to your preference. I will put some green onion, ginger, Chinese herb powder, some salt, sugar, olive oil, sesame oil, soy sauce, cooking wine. Every time you add some liquid, you must stir. Add more water. And repeat the procedure for about 3 times. We can add different vegetables. This time, I will add coriander. Now we begin to wrap dumplings. Then separate it into small pieces. Dough stick. This thinner one is suitable for making dumpling wrappers. With one hand holding and turning the small piece of dough, with the other hand roll and press the dough until it's thinner. Now we begin to wrap dumplings, holding the wrapper in one palm. Put some filling in the wrapper. Use your finger to wrap both sides of the wrapper and pinch together. Then pinch the dumpling all over to wrap the filling. The professional way to do so is to pinch at one time. The dumplings are ready for cooking, and we can also freeze the extra dumplings for future use. Non-stick pan with vegetable oil. Cover the pan, fry until the water disappears. Be careful not to burn them. Cover the fried dumplings.